So we got a new air fridge at work today, and it's been pretty fantastic. 126 cans, lots of extra storage, and even a spot for my sriracha. Now, the best part about all of that is that, well, it's got a key.
Did somebody lock this?
Lunchtime. My sriracha, my sriracha. Where's my sriracha? Who opened my fridge?
You see, what Anthony doesn't know is the fridge came with 2 keys.
So obviously I've been bamboozled and somebody has duplicated the key to my NewAir fridge with 126 can capacity and spot for my sriracha. So I've had to resort in more extreme defensive measures.
Oh! Dude, I'm just trying to get my lunch. It's everybody's fridge. You can't just... It's not yours. It's all of ours. Oh! So yeah, I didn't get to have my lunch that day.